this is Captain speaking. You can brace or sit down and relax while we land. If you want to brace, that's mostly a good idea, just to make we fall off the runway. And if we are not, please keep bracing, just in case we don't die. Please, when you get to the airport, please support Ryanair, Wizz Air or EasyJet for a beautiful landing. But do not do Ryanair, because Ryanair had the worst landing. Thank you.
There's all kinds of hotels here.
On to the right, we will be seeing our airport, which we'll be landing on in 3 minutes. 2 minutes. 1 minute.
We're gonna land in 2 hours.
100.
McDonald's!
400. 300.
We drop you off to
200.
We stop for that McDonald's.
100.
Whoa, it's going fast now.
70. 60. 50. 40.
Yeah, we're landing
30,
in like 5,
12.
4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Landing! Go! Brake! 4! Max! Go! Max brakes! Go! Max brakes! Complete! Landing complete! Brake on that! Brake! For falling down, braking everyone!